Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the SSD form factor and interface so you buy the right enclosure. This matters because M.2 NVMe uses a different connector and thermal needs than 2.5 SATA. Once you have screws, tools, and an anti-static strap, power off the laptop and remove the SSD carefully. Make sure to note orientation. Now place the SSD next to the enclosure, open it, and line up the connector. Prepare to install without forcing anything. After aligning the SSD, gently insert it into the enclosure connector and fasten the screws. NVMe modules need a small standoff and often a thermal pad to manage heat. Once closed, use the supplied cable to plug the enclosure into your computer. Prefer USB 3.1/3.2 or USB-C for full speed. Then open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac to confirm the drive appears. If it does, you're ready to partition and format for the intended use. Now format the SSD according to your needs. XFAT for compatibility, NTFS for Windows performance, or apps for Mac OS. Then create partitions and give it a clear volume label. Once formatted, run a quick file transfer to verify speed and stability, and always safely eject before unplugging. If the drive isn't detected, make sure the enclosure supports your SSD type and that the cable supplies enough power. Try different ports. Update USB drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.